Okay everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've already started, but I'm going to do some work to my E39. I made some purchases here, and this is a 525i. This is not an M5, but I have made some purchases to repair this $400. Literally, I paid $400 for this car. $400 E39 525i 2001. Oh yeah, it has some problems, but this summer this will be Project Repair E39. So let's get started. Let's take a look at what we have to repair here. Car is overheating, so I want to resolve those issues. Let me see. All right, that looks like the hood is open. Let's go take a look. Washed it. I'll make a video of me washing the car, but the engine bay originally was a mess. I mean, it was a mess. Something exploded. I think it was the either it was the water pump, or it looks like maybe a hose back over there. Yeah, back right over there. Maybe that hose there from the water pump. It is overheating quite a bit. So let's look at some of the items I'm going to repair. All of this stuff, the cover was missing. So there was no cover. There was leaves and dirt all in the jams. You know, there's still some leaves here. Look at that thing right there. That thing. I'll get that. I cleaned up the engine bay as much as possible, but it was filthy. You see here, I need a new oil cap that has to be repaired. I'll be replacing all of these things here. Looks like one was replaced, but the others weren't. But the car starts fine, seems to work fine, but it was missing this cover. So that has to get repaired. And fan housing. Always on these cars, for whatever reason, maybe it just gets brittle over time because of heat. But this, look at that. That has to be repaired. I'll be replacing this thing today and tossing this one. The coolant tank is here on a look at this. That's holding the coolant tank onto the engine, onto the fan shroud. So that'll be replaced. In addition, I have the thermostat here, the new thermostat. I have this new thermostat that will be replaced today with this spec unit with the unit that was spec'd for this model. Let's take a look at it. That is here. Borg Warner. Just purchased this thing. Let's see. Up here. Here it is. This is the unit that was spec'd for this model. So I'll be replacing that today. Hopefully that will allow me to get this thing on the road and drive it. Have some other issues with this car, and I'll be addressing those in other videos. Also, Lee, who's got the keys to my Beamer? Oh yeah, new fan shroud. Let's look at the old fan shroud. Old fan shroud, garbage. New fan shroud, beast. Brand new, smells new. I like the smell of new stuff. Alright, so we'll be replacing this thing today, you can see, let me let you see here. Look at that. Damn. I mean, they messed that thing up. Goodness gracious. Look at this, and look at where this is supposed to be. That little nut here. That's supposed to be here. Right here. That's a problem. That's a problem. So we want to go ahead and repair that. But first, I'm going to put on a new engine cover. And then the next time you see me, it should be on. I'll be right back.